This is a US $quarter coin from 2015, featuring the Bombay hook design. It is part of the America the Beautiful Quarters series, which was issued from 2010 to 2021 to showcase national parks and historic sites across the United States. Obverse, front side. The front of the coin features a portrait of George Washington, the first president of the United States. This design was originally created by John Flanagan in 1932 and was later used for the America the Beautiful series. The coin includes inscriptions such as United States of America, Liberty, $quarter, and the national motto, In God We Trust. Reverse, backside. The back of the coin displays an image of Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge in Delaware. The design features a great blue heron, one of the many bird species that inhabit this wetland. Bombay Hook was established as a wildlife refuge in 1937 to protect migratory birds and other wildlife. The coin also bears inscriptions including Bombay Hook, Delaware, 2015, and E pluribus unum, a Latin phrase meaning, out of many, one. Why is this coin significant? This coin is historically significant because it highlights America's natural heritage and conservation efforts. The America the Beautiful Quarters series was designed to honor the natural, historical, and cultural landmarks of the U.S., and Bombay Hook is an excellent representation of the country's commitment to preserving wildlife. Thousands of birds migrate through this refuge every year, making it a crucial ecological site. Is this coin rare? The 2015 Bombay Hook quarter was minted in Philadelphia, P, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S. Generally, it is not considered rare, but if your coin has a minting error, such as a double die off-center strike, or other production flaws, it could be valuable to collectors. If you suspect your coin has an error, it's best to get it examined by a professional numismatist to determine its worth.
How valuable can a 2015 quarter be? A regular quarter struck for business use for everyday transactions that you see in your change every day. But which quarter? The U.S. Mint struck 5 different quarters that year. Let's talk about all of it right after this.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers. Got coins? JB Coins Inc. on YouTube. Daily videos and free giveaways. Join us today.
Hey YouTubers, this is J and B. In this video, we will talk about 2015 quarters. Are they valuable? If so, how valuable? Are they worth even looking for? Newer quarters. The quarters we can find easily in our change. Well, these quarters are part of the America the Beautiful Quarters program, a program authorized by Congress of the production of commemorative quarters from 2010 till 2021. They still have George Washington's portrait on the obverse, but obviously 5 different reverses. The U.S. Mint released 5 quarters that year. Olmsted National Monument of America, Kisatchie National Forest, Blue Ridge Parkway, Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, and the Saratoga National Historical Park. Now, regular business strike quarters were minted at the Philadelphia Mint, the Denver Mint, and the San Francisco Mint. How valuable can a 2015 quarter be? A regular quarter struck for business use for everyday transactions that you see in your change every day. But which quarter? The U.S. Mint struck 5 different quarters that year. Let's talk about all of it right after this.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers. Got coins? JB Coins Inc. on YouTube. Daily videos and free giveaways. Join us today.
Hey YouTubers, this is Jay and B. In this video, we will talk about 2015 quarters. Are they valuable? If so, how valuable? Are they worth even looking for? Newer quarters, the quarters we can find easily in our change. Well, these quarters are part of the America the Beautiful Quarters program, a program authorized by Congress of the production of commemorative quarters from 2010 till 2021. They still have George Washington's portrait on the obverse, but obviously 5 different reverses. The U.S. Mint released 5 quarters that year. Homestead National Monument of America, Kisatchie National Forest, Blue Ridge Parkway, Bombay Hook National Wildlife Refuge, and the Saratoga National Historical Park. Now, regular business strike quarters were minted at the Philadelphia Mint, the Denver Mint, and the San Francisco Mint. The San Francisco Mint also struck that year proof quarters with a proof finish. They were sold to collectors in proof sets and silver proof sets. Now, the uncirculated quarters will have an MS grade, followed by the grade number, since they are not proof coins. The most valuable quarter from this year is a Bombay Hook quarter struck at the Philadelphia Mint. This quarter is the 4th of 5 issued for 2015 and the 29th overall in the series. Bombay Hook quarters launched into circulation on September 14th, 2015. It was designed by AIP artist Joel Iskevitz and sculpted by U.S. sculptor engraver Phoebe Hemphill. The reverse or tail side of the coin shows a great blue heron with a great egret slightly behind it. Both birds are standing within the Refuge's tidal salt marsh. The Philadelphia Mint struck that year 275 million quarters. Not the lowest, but one of the lower mintages in 2015. They will bear a P mint mark. Since they were produced for business use, they don't have any special finish. Just the regular plain finish we see in everyday coinage, in use in everyday transactions. The highest grade known for this quarter, as of the day we're shooting this video, is MS 68. This quarter in grade MS 68 sold recently at auction for $735. Now, only 9 quarters exist in that grade. So, the population of this coin is low, but not super low. Nevertheless, this quarter is worth much more than other quarters struck in 2015 in the same grade. Not to get too far ahead, the 2015 D quarter in the same grade is worth on average only $250. This coin is the latest sale as it sold at auction for $282 because of an even larger population than the 2015 MS 68 quarter struck at the Philadelphia Mint. So when the coin population is low, the price is high, and vice versa. Anyway, don't look only at the coin's grade or mintage. They're important, but the population will determine any coin's final price. And remember, the MS 68 is a high grade, but it's not the highest. The MS 70 is the highest, so there's plenty of room to go. The next coin in a higher grade than MS 68 will be worth much more, even if only a half grade higher. So look for them. Now obviously you won't find a coin like this in high grade in circulation. You will need to search uncirculated mint sets or rolls of uncirculated quarters. The MS-68 grade you should be able to find in uncirculated sets. In our opinion, people are not paying as much attention to new quarters as they should. And when you do that, pay attention to errors on these quarters too. Many do exist on them. And even if you don't know much about error coins, if you see a coin that looks odd, just put it aside and do your research later. Don't assume it's a damaged coin, and always check both sides of any coin. Some errors exist only on one side of the coin. The 2015 P Bombay hook quarters, especially from the Philadelphia Mint, have many errors. Now you can find DDOs, double die obverse. You can find struck through grease, off-center strikes, double die reverse, which is our favorite. But you can also find cuds in the bird's mouth caused by die cracks and many more. The Philadelphia Mint was so sloppy that year in their production that there's tons of things for us to find as collectors. Now, we didn't find any super rare errors like the double die denomination or struck on a wrong planchet, for example, which doesn't mean they don't exist. But we have found a lot of cuds in the bird's mouth, die streaks in the fields on the reverse, and several others. They're really fun to check because there are errors on the front and errors on the back, and you can find them sometimes with the naked eye. It is a fairly new quarter. Some valuable errors were found on coins decades after they were struck. And the cool thing is that most of the errors are being found in people's change. So look for them. Always check your coins, both sides of the coin, and weigh them too. There are also very many valuable America the Beautiful quarters worth thousands. If you like the America the Beautiful quarters, please watch our playlist dedicated to them, linked in the upper corner of this one. You might be nicely surprised how valuable some of the newer quarters are. And a question for you. Did you find any errors or varieties on 2015 quarters? Please let us know in the comments section below. We read all of your comments. We also would like to say thank you to all of our JB Coins Inc. family members. If you would like to become a JB Coins Inc. family member, please follow the link below this video. We greatly appreciate it. So, we hope you liked this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe so we can create more videos for you. Also, please remember to hit the little bell and set it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video or do a live stream. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.